Latest flagship gimbal camera is now official. It brings a host of improvements over the Pocket 3, which came back in 2023. Osmo Pocket 4 gets an all-new 20mm equivalent 1-inch CMOS sensor with f2.0 that support 4K 240 frames per second slow motion video with 14 stops of dynamic range and 10-bit D-Log shooting mode. It takes 37 megapixels still with a maximum resolution of 7618 to 4320 pixels in 16:9 ratio with support for DNG RAW and manual exposure at 4 seconds. Pocket 4 also brings updated 2x lossless zoom at 4K resolution and new 4x zoom for 1080p. For normal video recording, it supports 4K at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames per second. It has 3-axis stabilization and supports DJI ActiveTrack 7, which now supports subject tracking at 4x. You also get spotlight flow dynamic framing modes with support for people, animals, vehicles and even specific faces. DJI has added 6 new film tones. It comes with the updated 2-inch OLED display with a resolution of 556 x 314 pixel resolution up to 1000 nits of peak brightness. The display can switch between vertical and horizontal modes. They've added new control with dedicated zoom button for switching between 1x, 2x modes. There's a custom preset button that will quickly launch presets as well as 5D joystick with variable ratio. It brings 107 GB built-in storage with 800 MB transfer speed and support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth LE 5.4. It has 1554 mAh battery that's rated up to 240 minutes of 1080p 24 frames per second video recording and recharges from 0 to 18 minutes with plugged in with a 65 watt charger, while full top up takes 32 minutes. The price starts at 449 pounds for 499 euros for the standard combo in Europe and 619 euro and 549 pounds for the creator combo bundle, which includes DJI Mic 3 transfer, a fill light, a wide angle lens and an Osmo mini tripod. It's not available in the US due to the ban over there.